welcome back, dear friends. This is Chef Walter with another episode of Flavors and Knowledge. Today we're going to talk about lowering the glycemic in an affordable way. The problem of high blood sugar affects many people, and it is one of the leading indicators of the risk of diabetes. Preventive work is essential in these cases, and the best results run through the correct diet and plenty of physical activities. Adopting a balanced diet keeps the indexes under control and will ultimately avoid unwanted peaks. It's amazing how much blood sugar naturally lowers when you include these three inexpensive foods into your diet. And I have just 3 suggestions for you, and I'm speaking from a personal experience. Number 1, first on the list is the silverfish, typically mackerel and anchovies. They fall into the category of bluefish, but they do not have the same scent or color. Also, the taste is entirely different and awesome, rich in omega-3. These particular fatty acids are a natural elixir of life in many ways, and the most critical quality relies on the ability to process glucose and control blood sugar successfully. Fortunately for us, our Mediterranean diet offers several omega-3 rich foods, many of which are very affordable. Considered to be an inferior species by the consumer, these types of oily fish boast a high content of good fatty acids that help you stay very healthy. Second on my list, food rich in fibers. Diet is undoubtedly an essential tool to combat the glycemic values above the standard threshold, and consider choosing low calories and low sugar vegetables such as radicchio, dandelion, Savoy cabbage, or fennel, for instance. Bitter is better, and keep that in mind when you're shopping for yourself. You can also increase fiber by including whole grain and derivatives, and always follow the instructions of a doctor or a specialist in these cases. Third on my list, legumes of any types. As a source of vegetable proteins and food rich in numerous nutrients. Legumes are also a source of fiber and have the advantage of being affordable on your budget. Legumes will slow down the sugar absorption in the intestine, especially when paired with a small portion of pasta, rice, or other starches. They will help prevent hypoglycemic crisis between the meals, including those suffering from high cholesterol. In conclusion, a healthy diet followed by a specialist together with a physical activity can become a significant protective factor in controlling high glycemic indexes. Those are all the suggestions I have for you today. I'm sure there are plenty others. But I want to thank you for listening to this episode. Follow Flavors and Knowledge on your preferred platform or anchor.fm. And if you step into YouTube, don't forget to look for the Chef Walter's Cooking School page, where we offer a variety of short videocasts always related to health and wellness education. For recipes and other additional fun stories, you may want to join our newsletter at walterpotenza.substack.com. Finally, if you're cooking today or tonight, keep your eyes on the fire, and we'll reconnect on a quick round. Stay well. Ciao, ciao.
Flavors and Knowledge is brought to you by Chef Walter's Cooking School in Cranston, Rhode Island. For classes, workshops, events, and programs, please visit our website at chefwalterscookingschool.com. For all other services offered by Chef Walter's Food Group, check out our main website, chefwalter.com.